Alright guys, out doing a little scouting. Trying to find spots where I can get in on the river. Found this one, so it'll be going in right off the road. Might have to put the extension on my boat trailer. Got an extension that takes it out another 4 feet, but now it's pretty much, I'm gonna have to go out in the daytime where I can see where I'm going and mark it out, because I'll get lost pretty easy. This is way different already. What was that, Grace?
There's a river over here.
Yep, and the river is so high that it's up into the forest. I have a little scoutmaster with me. It's pretty cool, it'll be fun. But it's one of those things you have to go scout out in your boat in the daytime, otherwise you'll have no idea where to go. Alright guys, we tried to do another evening hunt at a soccer game this morning, and it didn't work out too good. I'll probably just add some of the footage just because it was cool. We were in a flooded cornfield. We went down a river normally you can't go in, and we went through what would have been roads, cornfields. It was interesting, but there's no ducks flying.
the corn that we could get into. The water was so deep it was over my waders, so it wasn't even worth setting up in, because with a long-tail mud motor I wouldn't have been able, it'd taken us forever to get decoys out. It just turned into, wasn't worth it, so we tried, failed, and now we're going to conquer because we came prepared. We're going to fire this thing up, we're going to cook our dinner, we're going to put the boat away. By the way, I put the extended arm on there. So that thing's over 4 feet long right there, an extension, so I can get in off of roads like this. It's just a road. But Jim, we tried.
It was fun.
It was a workout is what it was. But if we would have saw some stuff flying, it would have been a little better. Everything's flooded around here. We were taking a run of it. See, that's how you duck hunt right there. Got the boss cooking our food.
You like yours medium rare
Yeah,
or well?
I like mine spitting.
It's spitting. Smells good.
Got the boat packed up after a boat ride, I guess you could call it. That's how we haul it around. This thing is for like trucks, the back of trucks, and I just hook it around. I took all the hooks off of it because it got tangled up so much, and I just wrap it, the corners around the lights, and put a bungee through the middle, and nothing flies out. Grass all stays in place. Oh.
Indeed.
It's the dinner bell. So, till the next one, guys.